Hi friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare mixed vegetable palav. This palav is served normally during breakfast and for lunch here in Karnataka, especially in Bangalore. We serve this palav with a coconut chutney. For some of you it might sound a bit weird. For breakfast we serve it with coconut chutney. This palav is very tasty. It's prepared with regular sona masuri rice or with bullet rice. It's very simple to prepare. There is 3 stages to this process. First, preparing the masala paste, and I'll be preparing this entire palav in a pressure cooker. It's a 1-pot recipe. Finally, I'm going to garnish it with coriander and lime juice and serve it. Now the ingredients required for this recipe is mixed vegetables. You can use any seasonal vegetables. For the masala paste, I'll be using garlic, ginger, chilies, onion, tomato. We'll also require curry leaves, fresh beans and carrots. I'm using eggplant and potato. We can use fresh peas or frozen peas. Now for the masala paste, we'll require bay leaf, fennel, cumin, aniseed, cinnamon, cloves, maize, stone flour, star anise, and cardamom. And for the masala powders, we will require chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder. For extra flavor and added taste, we'll be adding some dried fenugreek leaves. This is kasuri methi. I've also washed the rice and reserved it. We need to wash the rice thrice and soak it in water for 10 minutes just before preparing the palav. Don't soak it ahead of time, just soak it 10 minutes before you need to prepare the palav. I measured my rice using a coffee tumbler. You can use a cup measure, which is 1/4 cup per person. Now in a mixer jar, I'm going to start preparing the masala paste. I'm going to add the chilies, ginger, garlic, and the whole spices. The recipe in detail is posted in the info box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video, which will lead you to my blog. Now without adding water, I'm just going to dry grind this masala as much as possible. Once we finish dry grinding the spices, chilies and ginger and garlic, we'll be adding the onion and tomato. If needed, you can add little bit of water, but don't add too much water. Grind it into a smooth paste. Now this is the special masala paste that I'm going to be using in the palav. I've heated a pressure cooker with dalda, oil and ghee. People who do not prefer ghee, who are vegans, they can just use the dalda, which is vegetable fat. People who do not prefer vegetable fat can avoid vegetable fat, that is dalda, and add just ghee. I'm adding all the 3 oils here is because I'm preparing it as authentic as possible. Now to the oil, I've added the bay leaf. Once the oil is hot, I've added the bay leaf and the prepared masala paste. We need to fry this masala paste. The reason I've asked you not to add excess water to the masala paste is because there is already leftover masala paste in the mixer jar. I've added 1/4 cup of extra water to the mixer jar, extracted all the leftover masala and added it back to the pressure cooker. And I've cooked the masala paste. Now I kept stirring it and frying it. You can already see the oil has surfaced to the sides. Now once the oil has surfaced to the sides, you can start adding the other ingredients, or you can also lift up a little bit of the masala paste and see it for yourself whether it's cooked or not. Once the onions turn light brown in color, the oil will surface on top. Now at that point, I'm just going to crush the kasuri methi, the dried fenugreek leaves, in my hands itself, and I've added it to the masala paste. And I've also added the chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. We need to fry all these ingredients first, and we also need to add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Fry all these ingredients so that the raw flavor reduces in all these ingredients. We need to fry it for a minute's time, and again allow the oil to surface on top. Now once the oil has surfaced on top, that is when you need to add all your vegetables. That is going to be your potatoes, brinjal, peas, carrots, beans. We need to cook this vegetable in the masala paste for another minute's time. We'll also add salt as per taste. I'm using coarse salt, which is rock salt. I'm using that. So I've added salt as per taste. I'm going to fry the vegetables in the masala paste. So it's been a minute's time since the vegetables have been cooking on low flame. At that point, I've drained the excess water from the rice and I've added it to the fried vegetables and the masala. Now for every cup of rice, I'm using 2 cups of water. The recipe in detail will be in the info box below this video, or you can visit my blog. Blog link will be posted in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video, which will direct you to my blog. Now once I've added the water, I've just placed the lid on the pressure cooker and I've also added the weight on top. I'm going to cook this for 5 minutes or for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, I've switched off the flame and removed the pressure cooker from the flame. Allowed all the excess pressure to reduce, then added finely chopped coriander and mint along with lime juice. I'm going to give all these ingredients a good mix once before serving it. The recipe in detail will be in the info box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video, which will direct you to my blog. Also, like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the links to my social media will also be in the info box below this video. The same recipes are translated and posted in YouTube channel. Link to YouTube channel will also be in the info box below this video. Now once I finish mixing my palav, you can see the palav is nice and moist. At the same time, the grains are separated and it looks really yummy. I've gone ahead and served my palav with coconut chutney. It turned out really good, friends. We all enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try, friends. If you enjoyed preparing this recipe, do subscribe to my channel for videos on regular basis. I keep posting review videos and recipe videos every week. All the links to my social media and blog link, the recipe in detail will be in the info box below this video. I'll be seeing you soon with a new recipe. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.